Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to software update in your iPhone 14 Pro Max. So to this operation, go to settings, then go to the general, and there is an option named software update. So in this case, the phone will be checking for the system update. As you see, I have already updated my iOS system to 18. I can update now or update tonight at the midnight. So there is this of course information about the update of your phone. If you want, you can turn off the update of your phone, like your iOS update, security response, or automatically download your iOS update. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey,